Everyone, welcome to my channel, Dhananjay @Thorat Educational Channel. Subscribe, like, and share it. So today we are discussing class 6th poem, A House, A Home, written by Lauren M. Halley. So this poem is telling about students the difference between a house and home. But have you aware about that? What it means? Why it is a different one? Why has the poet title has given a house, a home? So through this poem, poet given important message to us, and he also pointed that why is house different and a home different. So let's see in the poem what is there. What is the difference between a house and home? Discuss with your partner, then read the poem. See, house and home, no difference is there. But poet wanted to point out that a house is different and home is different. A house is made up of brick, stones and all. Home means as the family members. So students, in our society we are observing that some family members are very satisfied. Either they are living in a hut, then also they are very satisfied, peacefully life they are enjoying. And those are family members belong to rich, they are living in a big bungalow, their own big house is there. But these family members are not living peacefully, happily, they are not enjoying, even they are not talking to each other, they are not sharing anything. So such a family and those which is living in the hut, those are very satisfied. It's quite different, students. So the poet is wanted to pass this message through this poem, the difference between the house and home. Why? That is. So let's see what is the poet want to say us. What is a house? It is a bricks and stone and wood that's hard. Some windows, glasses, and perhaps a yard. It's eaves and chimneys and all tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of dough. The poet first stanza is explaining about the what is means house. House is made up of brick, stones, For construction purpose nowadays we are using cement, sand, concrete, houses, slab. So even the bricks, so many glasses, windows, pane, door, interior design, everything is there now. The poet wanted to suggest in the first stanza that house construction purpose these things are important. And the next stanza is explaining very important message that what is a home? It is a loving and family. And doing for others, it is the brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers, it is a selfish act. And kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. See, the second stanza is a very important concept, students. That poet is saying what is a home is a loving and family. See, I have given an example to you. Those are belongs to rich family, their own bungalow is there, big house is there. But in the family, always call fights, problems. They are not satisfying. They are not sharing each other things. They are not talking to their brother, sister. So many problems are there. And near only one hut is there, small hut. And there are also so many members are there. They are living peacefully life, enjoying, sharing things. So what do you feel? Which family is good? Is they living in a big bungalow or in hut? Absolutely. In hut, the family members, those are living, they are very happy and lucky. The poet is suggesting that. With you, more money is there, everything is there, all facilities there, but family members are not good. Means they are not talking each other, they are not sharing each things to you with other. Even they are not speaking also. Such families no use, students. So the poet is telling what is the home? It is a loving and family and doing of for others. See, while living in the family as a member, family member, we have to speak, we have to solve our problems, even other problems also. We have to help to everyone. And also it's brothers and sisters. See, because of property purpose, brother is fighting. Brother sister is fighting. Sister is fighting. Such family is no use to them. Such house is no use. And fathers and mothers, even see fathers and mothers also. Now in this generation, most of the people, even they are not taking care of their father and mother. They are sending in a vruddhashram. So totally this concept is wrong, students. So poet is pointing that such a families where the living in that such families which is included all brothers, sister, father, mother, grandmother, grandfather, which are taking care each other, sharing things. Such family is important and valuable family, and such family where it is living, this house may be a hut or anything, is called a home. Okay, so it's unselfish acts and kindly sharing, showing your loved ones you are always caring. In this such a family, there is no selfish act. In this now in this generation, everyone are greedy. Even they are thinking about their own profits while dealing with brother also, any business. So such unselfish acts is needed, students, in a family, and kind sharing. All we have to share with our family members. Showing your loved ones and always caring. We have to care everyone. So we have to ask everyone. But are you finding? No. Nowadays, these things are not there. And due to that, poet is pointed that with you his house is there, big house is there, bungalow is there, everything is there, facility. But family members are not there good. They are not talking each other. They are not coming together for ceremony. Even fight is because of property and all. Such families, such house is no use to us. So, while we are living as a family member, we have to take care to everyone. We have our duty to share the things, help to everyone. So, the poet Laurent Jamale has explained this poem, very important message he has passed throughout the world, that while living as a family member, we have to follow the norms and of family members. We have a responsibility also we have to follow. Okay, students, next video we will discuss next lesson. Have a nice day. Thank you.